Okay, people, this is a high rollers video, strictly for the high rollers. Guys that got the money to start off like that. So we're gonna start with 100 on everything, 10 on those, actually 15 on those, 6, 9 here, 3 there, and the sharp. So make that 10. So we're starting off with 678. 6 and 8 need to be like 120, but the machine pays true odds, so it's really no big deal. So this is how we starting off. 678, slow motion. This is strictly for the high rollers. This insures this. So if a 7 rolls, this pays us $12. Let me make it right. If a 7 rolls, it pays us $12, but we lose this. If any of these craps roll, we lose 3 and we lose 5, but this is basically $3 on each number. So if 12 or aces roll, that pays us $33 basically. If either one of these roll, well, no, 3 times 30 actually pays us $93. If either of these roll, it pays us $48. So this insures this, this insures this insures this, and this. So it's an insurance game. All right, let's go. Strictly for the high rollers. All right, we rolled a 4.
4 soft. Mark the 4. Down behind. Single the field.
Down to 665 because we lost this here. 100 on everything. Y'all ready for some money? Let's get money. Let's get money. All right, we rolled 5.
5.
So we're gonna go straight to 200 to max it.
Go to the 5.
We're gonna put $5 on a horn because after 5 comes a horn. Straight up. All right, let's go. Numbers. That was 7. It wasn't work out like that, y'all.
7. Line away.
So
pay the
let's do it again. 1, 10, 5, 3, 3. Let's go 15, 10, 5 there, 12 here. Just like that. 680 action. Alright, we roll 7, so we lose the 12. Win 12.
Pay the line.
So we'll just hit repeat last bet. Puts it right back there. And let's go again. Alright, we roll 5.
5 fever.
After 5 comes a horn, we'll put $4 horn. Let's put $1 on all these. Let's put $1 on 4 and 10. I just like keeping my numbers even. 70 left in the bank. Let's go. Good numbers. 3.
3 craps.
That's expected after craps. Let's put 2 more on it. Let's go 10 on everything. Got 20 left. Let's go 5 on everything. High roller, right? 752. Let's get them, girls. We rolled a 6. So we're gonna double the 6. Well, not double, put 100 on it. We're gonna go 28 on the hard 6. We're up to 853. Let's go, baby. Do a hard 8. Okay.
8 hard. Down behind.
So we're gonna max out the 8, 240. We're gonna max the 6 out. We're gonna max out the hard 8 at 50. We're gonna max the 6 out at 50. We got $107 left. We're gonna put a quarter there. We got that left. We're gonna go 3, 3. We got $1 left. We're gonna put the dollar on the C and E because we ain't got nothing else better. What's up, bro? We got 1171. What is 5, people? Yeah. Okay, we caught that. So we're gonna move that over here, but a $4 horn in case it wants to come right back. Up to 1174. Point is 5, people. Let's get them, girls. Oh, shit.
8 hard. Down behind. No
all right, that's cool. We're gonna repeat last bet. We don't need that there. Let's press both of those. I want a little more on that 6 and 8. A little more on that. Let's go quarter on all these other numbers. All right, we got 470 there. We got 1431 here. And you can look at what we got here in the center.